With Minexa, both developers and non-developers train once on a page in the browser, then reuse that scraper across thousands of similar pages. Let's see how to scrape scholarship listings efficiently. Navigate to scholarshipamerica.org's Scholarships page. Minexa prepares extraction automatically once the page loads. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension now. It will start reading the page straight away to detect the scholarship listings. Click the button labeled, "Yes, I'm on the right page," so Minexa can analyze the full page. It identifies repeating patterns and understands how the scholarship listings are organized. Full page coverage is confirmed. Minexa detected the navigation pattern and will follow it automatically on every run. Choose whether you want to scrape only the scholarship list or also extract data from each linked detail page for deeper information. Start with Continue for basic scraping. Switch to Advanced mode if you need interactions to reveal more data or handle dynamic content. Click Create Scraper if the highlighted section looks right. Minexa will select the most stable way to extract the scholarships for consistent results every time. All scholarship data points are identified, including program names, deadlines, and award amounts. Select the fields you need, and they'll appear in your export exactly as shown here. Developers can click the API request button to get code that returns only the columns they want, or let Minexa pick the most relevant fields automatically. Make sure to complete the configuration by validating all fields. Minexa leaves any missing data blank, ensuring accuracy without guessing. Minexa has detected the next page button automatically. If not, just continue. Multi-page navigation is saved and runs automatically with every extraction. Your scraping job is ready. Click Complete Setup to finalize it and start extracting scholarship listings immediately. Hit Run, and your dataset will be generated fast. It's ready for export to Excel, JSON, Google Sheets, or API pipelines immediately after completion. This dataset looks the same every time it runs, ensuring reliability for automated pipelines. Typical data points include scholarship names, eligibility criteria, deadlines, and award values, all organized clearly. Click Export and your file is ready instantly. Anyone can open it, technical or not, to access the clean scholarship data. Get started with Minexa and build a scraper once that runs reliably across millions of pages with consistent, predictable outputs.